main power switch on and select a pattern on the pattern selection dial. Raise the needle and the presser foot to set the fabric. Put the upper thread under the presser foot and pull out about 5 centimeters of thread. While holding the thread in the fabric with your left hand, turn the hand wheel towards you to lower the needle onto the fabric and lower the presser foot lever. When you sew the fabric, you can adjust the speed with the foot controller. To finish sewing, release your foot from the foot controller to stop the machine, and then raise the needle by turning the hand wheel towards you. Raise the presser foot, pull out the fabric, and then cut the threads with the thread cutter that is found on the back of the presser foot bar. If the fabric is too thick to get under the presser foot, use the presser foot lever to raise the presser foot up a notch.